Hi guys, and welcome to the bakery, and today we're going to be making a home baker's lardy. By the way, close your ears, I am going to swear. In this video, a number of swear words will be used. Lard and sugar. Anyway, we'll get on with the video. Today, we're going to make up a basic bun dough. Right, for the bun dough, what you need is a pound of flour, just ordinary baker's flour, 2 ounces of caster sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoonful of vitamin C, 8 ounces of milk, 2 ounces of egg, and 2 ounces of fat, which this is actually white shortening. It's a product you can actually buy in the shop. It's called Trek, but I prefer to use this one for this particular recipe. And also then, obviously, the baker's yeast, which is 2 ounces. Right, and what we do, we put the flour into the bowl, followed by the yeast with the fat, and we just mix this around a bit. Like that. Now pop in your milk, your eggs, your salt and your vitamin C, all in, not forgetting your sugar. And just mix it all round, like that, with your hook. You can do this by hand if you wish to, but I don't see the point of doing it by hand if you've got a machine. Right. Just like that, we'll just pop it onto the machine. You want to be mixing this for 10 minutes. You may need to add a bit more flour to it. Depends on the type of flour you've got. Because some supermarket flours are better than other supermarket flours. Now you want to knock on to second speed for 1 minute. Give it a scrape then. That's ready. And now we'll put it on the table. Bit of flour. That's it, and all we do then, mould it up, and that's it. Right guys, we've just made the dough. Now, this dough wants to be left for at least 10 minutes to start proving up a bit first, before we start using it. Right, for the lardy, you want a pound of lard. You can use white shortening if you're a vegetarian, because white shortening is vegetarian friendly or vegan friendly. You've got granulated sugar, and that's a pound of, and 8 ounces of mixed fruit. And your tray. It's a straightforward tray. If you're overseas, this is the company, and that is the size that you need. Other than that, you want some good quality baking sheet parchment. You're rolling it out into like an oblong shape. Like that. And then you split it into 3/4, like that. Now you're going to be putting the fat onto 2/4. Always get the best quality fat you can find, because you don't want it smelling of pigs. Then you sprinkle your fruit on. Always get your fruit up to the edges. Right, now what we do is we put half the sugar here in the middle, like that, and then fold this one over, and again, as you can probably see what I'm going to be doing, we're now going to fold this one over here, but now we're going to put the sugar here, the other half of the sugar. There you go. And now one quick move, woo, like that. Now just pull them out to the edges. Bit of flour underneath, bring it back. Don't worry about the bits and pieces coming out the side. If you press the ends down a bit, that'll just keep the sugar and the fruit from coming out. Press it down a bit. Now, bit of flour down. Now we're just going to roll them out a bit. This way. This way. Okay. Now we're going to fold them over. If you've got too much flour, just sweep them off. Fold it over again. And roll them down. So you now want the same size as your tray. You've got some odd bits like that, just tuck them over like that, that's it. So it just fits your tray. What I usually do, put your paper on the deck, put straight on like that, hit your tray, and plonk them straight in, like that. Push him in. Don't worry too much if he's over the sides. If you've got a small rolling pin, like that. Now, I believe this makes 10. There it is. So I mark them into 10 pieces. Like that. Right, and what we do now, we rest it for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to cut them up before they go in the oven. Right, that's rested for 10 minutes. Well, now we're going to take your cutter or knife or whatever, and all you're going to do is cut down the center, like that. And again, the reasons you do this is for the lard and the sugar to run through into the bottom. So when she bakes, it all soaks into the bottom, and that gives you that nice sticky finish. That proves for about half an hour to an hour. Just to let you know, guys, the Lardys have just gone into the prover. If you leave them in the kitchen, they should take around about an hour just left on the side. As long as it's a nice warm kitchen and there's a bit of humidity in there. Or pop them in an airing cupboard with a plastic bag. That'll do the same thing. In there, I would have thought it's going to take around about, again, an hour, I would think. Right guys, the Lardys are ready to go in the oven. There you go, they're proved up. Now we'll pop them into an oven at around about 380 Fahrenheit. It can be a little bit hotter, but it'll burn the top. And they'll be in the oven for around about 30 minutes. Right guys, the Lardys are ready. Just be very careful when you're getting them out of the oven, because you might burn yourself. Now, as soon as they come out of the oven, wash them, the top with syrup. Now the Lardys are out, you want to let them stand for at least half an hour to go cold before playing around with them, because you will get burnt. Right guys, now we're going to turn them over. Sprinkle some paper with some caster sugar, and you're going to turn them straight over like that. Hi guys, hope you enjoyed the video. The recipe I've been using today was actually originated in 1947, and the places I used to work at, I've always used that same recipe right the way through, and even today I use the same recipe. So it's just been scaled down for you home bakers, and it's the business. Important thing is to make sure you get that good quality lard and get proper granulated sugar. You don't want any silver spoon, which is artificial sugar. It just doesn't work the same. Anyway, do subscribe and do share. See you again. Laters.